Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a brand new Rene of Paris wig called Bennett. And the color on Bennett is one of my favorites. It's called Crimson LR. I really love this color, and I reviewed Izzy in this color, which was a really short asymmetrical wig. So I figured, why not review a really long asymmetrical wig to really show you what the heck this Crimson LR looks like, because it looks pretty great in these long wigs too. It's an amazing red color. It's beautiful. So I have not done anything to Bennett. I haven't combed her, I haven't fluffed her up, I haven't done anything. This is how she comes right out of the box. So the hair just kind of wants to go in the face. Curls, you know, need some help. And all of the hair is basically on the right hand side. So you've got a cut that is part pixie, I mean a really short pixie at that, and part glamazon. So let's do a little magic with that. Just trying to separate some of these layers a little bit. Bennett does have a 100% hand-tied lace front, so she can be styled off the face. That's kind of what I'm trying to do now. Might need some hairspray. Get this hair in the back. She's got a little bit of hair in the back too. Okay, so Bennett is 5.43 ounces. So she's a little heavy, but you're given a lot of hair over here on the side with the hair. This is a lot of hair. For only having half a head of hair, that's a big ponytail. There are a lot of measurements for this one. I say take them all with a grain of salt because she's so heavily layered. Just know that the nape is 15.35 inches, so she's very long in the back. I think this one looks amazing when it's styled. When you first get her out of the box, she's a little crazy looking. And the front definitely wants to go right in the face. As you can see, it's still kind of fighting me. This Crimson LR color, by the way, is fantastic. As you can see, it's got this dark auburn root. Beautiful, beautiful. And then you've given this, a lot of people say that this is the Rene of Paris chestnut color. I actually think that it's not an exact doppelganger to the chestnut. It's a little bit more red than that, but it's very close. All right, so let me show you what Bennett looks like from all sides. So you can tell there's a big contrast between the two. And this sideburn is the wig, it's not me, it's built in. So is this part here, that's built into the wig. So I can zoom in on that a little bit so you can see what kind of coverage you'd get. She is perma-teased up here. And here is that lace front. You get little baby hairs with these Rene of Paris lace fronts. Alright, well now I'm going to take Bennett off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So Bennett has a temple to temple lace front. It is straight across and not contoured. It probably would need a little bit of a trim, but just be careful, the baby hairs are sewn into the excess material. You also have a very nice soft fuzzy felt in between the rest of the cap and the lace front. The rest of the cap is a standard cap. So it is covered in permatease up here at the top where this French lace is, open wefted on the sides, and on the back you also have an extended nape, which is a nice touch in a long wig, especially since the back is also long. I guess they did that so that way you could sweep it off to the side without worrying about exposing your natural nape as much. And it does adjust kind of like a bra strap would back here. She is fairly nice and stretchy, though I find her to be a little tight on. Nice closed fuzzy felt ear tabs. So there's Bennett. I'm going to go ahead and turn her right side in again so you can see those curls up front. Now here's the progression with that Crimson LR. So you can see it's nice and bright down here, and it progressively gets a little bit more conservative, and then you got that nice natural dark auburn up here at the root. You can also see, when I'm holding it like this, just how short that front is compared to this side, which is crazy long. So now I'm going to go ahead and put Bennett back on for you. Yeah, this one would definitely need to be worn a little bit if you have a big head, because she's a little tight on me, but I'm sure if I wore her around for a little while she would probably loosen up, because that's what I experienced with the Aria I wear for personal use. And there you go. This has been the Bennett wig by Rene of Paris in the color Crimson LR, which is beautiful in long, short, and mid-length wigs. And I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Hopefully you'll check out my wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. And have a great night. Bye-bye.